my fellow 4th graders, my name is Jibin Joseph, and I'm here to help you guys out with some 4th grade math. So we're going to do some place values. It's asking write the value of the digit 4 in each number. So basically, to find the digit where 4 is, we basically had to look at where it is. So this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, this is the thousands place, and this is the 10,000s place. So where's the 4 at? At the 10th place. Sorry. Alright, we'll do number 3. So if we know that the 4 is over here, it's at the hundreds place since it goes from ones, tens to hundreds, so it is hundreds. Number 6, again, we see the 4 in the tens place, so we know it's tens. And number 12, we see it on the over there, and we know that because this is the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, this is the 10,000s. So it's 10,000s. Overall, it's pretty simple. I know you guys got the hang of it, so we'll move on to multiplication. Alright, so basically, we're going to start off with number 1. It's asking what is 4 times 16. In order to do this, we basically want to multiply 4 by 16. Pretty self-explanatory. To do this, you had to put 16 over here times 4. So basically to multiply, you want to multiply 4 by 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. You put the 2 up here. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So your answer is 64. And basically for number 3, the answer is 72, which is because it's on your multiplication table. But if you need help, just think about what is 9 plus 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 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. Oops, 18, 27, and so on and so forth until you get 72. Again, for number 7, easy, it's in your multiplication table, it should be 15. And to do this, you could just do 5 plus 5 plus 5. And then that will go to 10 plus 5, and that will lead to 15. And then we'll do number 13. 27 times 2, 27 times 2, 7 times 2 is 14, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. The answer is 54. Again, pretty self-explanatory, so we'll move on to division. Division is basically just multiplication, but basically flipped around. So basically what we're going to do is, we'll do number 1. What is 52 divided by 4? Since this is a pretty big number, and this, I don't believe, should be on your multiplication table, we'll do 52 divided by 4. This box is where you'll put this number, and this box is where you're going to put this number. So basically, you're going to start off with how many times 4 could fit into 5. So 4 could fit into 5 one time, and 4 minus 5 is 1. So now you have to bring the 2 down, so it's a 12. How many times could 4 go into 12? 3 times. So your answer is 13. We'll do number 4. Unlike number 1, this one is in your multiplication table. We all know that 9 times 8 is 72. So your answer is 8. And then we could do 6 divided by 3. Again, it's in your multiplication table, so it should be 2. But if you're having trouble, you could do 6 divided by 3. How many times does 3 go into 6? 2 times. Your answer is 2. And finally, 13. Basically, 84 divided by 4. Put on the... How many times does 4 go into 8? 2 times. And then you bring down the 4. How many times does 4 go into 4? 1 time. So, your answer is 21. Alright, so now we're going to do word problems. So let's start off with number 2. A grocery store sold 1,328 pounds of poultry during Thanksgiving. This was 449 pounds more than they sold last year. How many of poultry did they sell last year? So since we know that they sold that many during Thanksgiving, and that it was 440 more than last year, to find how much they had last year is just simple subtraction. So 1,328 minus 449, 18 minus 9 is 9, 11 minus 4 is 7, 12 minus 4 is 8. So the answer should be 879. And never forget your units, so 879 pounds. Alright, let's do number 3. So basically saying a cafeteria baked 2,175 cookies and 712 muffins. After the 3rd and 4th grade classes had eaten lunch, there were 594 cookies and 274 muffins left. How many cookies did the 3rd and 4th graders eat? So you guys are part of this, so you should know. So basically, in order to do it, it's more simple subtraction. So 2,175 minus 594, basically 17 minus 9 is 8, and 10 minus 5 is 5, so there are 1,581 cookies. So basically, we could try to find how many muffins they ate. But the question isn't asking it, since it's only asking for how many cookies. And we know that it's 1,581 cookies. So it wouldn't be bad if you included the muffins, but remember to read the question carefully so you know what to add and what you don't have to. And we'll do number 4. A group of 4th grade classes had a recycling contest. Miss Herman's class collected 528 3 cans. Mr. Zoll's class collected 2,578 cans. What was the total number of cans collected? To find the total is simple addition. 8 plus 3 is 11, 7 plus 2 plus 1 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer should be 2,101 cans. And that's enough for today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.